Have you ever been in a quiet room and suddenly your stomach growls loudly? Most people think it only happens when you're hungry, but that's not the full story. Because those sounds actually have a name. They're called borborygmi, and they happen when muscles in your digestive system move food, liquid, and gas around. That rumbling sound is movement happening inside you. But here's what shocks many people. Your stomach can make those sounds, even when it's empty. Because when you haven't eaten, your digestive system starts a kind of cleaning cycle, sweeping leftover material through. And that can make loud growling noises. But listen carefully. Sometimes those sounds may come more from your intestines, not just your stomach. And stress, gas, or certain foods can make them even louder. But why does your stomach sometimes growl louder right before eating? And can loud stomach sounds ever be a warning sign? That is part 2. Subscribe now so you don't miss it.
Follow, subscribe, like, and comment so you don't miss more crazy science facts videos.